The snowpack changes daily, and it's super important to check out your local avalanche forecast before you recreate in the backcountry. I'm on Marshall Mountain today with Arden from Central Montana Avalanche Center, and he's going to give you a few pieces of information to know before you head outside.
Montana is home to some of the most beautiful backcountry in the United States. But venturing into these areas, especially in the winter, should be done with caution.
There's three critical pieces of backcountry gear that you need to bring with you every time you go in the backcountry. First one I have in here is a beacon. It's a small device that helps you locate people who are buried in avalanches. Critical. You have to wear it on your body. Make sure it's not in your backpack or on your snowmobile or anything like that. On your person. When you get to the trailhead, you want to do a beacon check and make sure everyone's gear is functioning properly. One of the other three pieces of gear is shovel. You want to have a good metal shovel that fits in your backpack, easy to carry around, and can dig effectively. The last of the three pieces is a probe. A long probe that's going to help you find people who are buried in the debris. I'm going to throw it out. In the end, this is emergency rescue equipment. The goal is that you never have to use this stuff. You want to do everything in your power to avoid an emergency situation using this equipment, but you still have to bring it every time in case something does go wrong.
The Central Montana Avalanche Center recommends you keep aware and look out for red flags.
Recent avalanche activity, signs of instability like cracking or collapsing, heavy snowfall or heavy rain, rapid melting, and wind-drifted snow as well.
It's very important to know before you go. Check your local avalanche forecast and make sure you're smart in the backcountry. In Missoula on Marshall Mountain, Emily Brown, MTN News.